Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB. I've got a Cobra 29LTD Classic. This is for Jake in Hawaii. Aloha Jake. And he asked me to set this one, do a tune-up on it, but set it so that he could use it, you know, in between his 1x2 and his 1x4 amplifiers. So I had to set it for something that would be kind of happy with both of them. So this is where I set it, Jake. Got 10 watts across this top scale right there. Be coming in about 2.5, 2.6 or so. And on this 50 watt scale, audio check. We're getting power right in the middle. See where it's getting closer to 20. Audio check. All right. Audio check. 1 2 3 4 5. Check. Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Oh, we didn't listen to this. Audio. Audio check. Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Check. Audio. All right. Let's see who's out there. Breaker 19 for radio check. I appreciate it, driver. So that's about it. So you're all set up for your 1x2 or your 1x4, Jake. Mahalo and aloha.